The year was 2009, 2009. I was a sales supervisor, and because I was in the sales and marketing organization, I was given a truck, a vehicle where I convey merchandisers or promoters, and we're selling the organization's products, okay, in cities or in local governments. And for me, that was just all I knew about life. Trust me, I didn't know I could amount to anything. I just saw myself. That was just the end for me until I read this book, Think and Grow Rich. Okay, this book opened my mind to what was possible. Napoleon Hill said, okay, in the opening chapter, that there's a secret he was going to reveal in this book, that I would see it, I will know it when I find it. He didn't say, but that it is embedded in every pages of the book. Some could find it in the first chapter, another in the middle or the last, but you would find the secret. And for me, I found the secret. The secret was that my thoughts can make me rich. Every idea, every wealth, every success emanates from the thought. I have a job, but my salary was never enough. I have a wife, I have children, but I needed extra money. I cannot steal. I cannot do anything shady in order to cater for my family. I love my job because the purpose of my job aligns with my personal purpose. So there's an alignment. So for me, the job, the organization is fulfilling its purpose, and I am fulfilling my purpose, the alignment. But I needed another job. I needed to create another business out of my skill, out of my competence, out of my expertise. I learned this concept from this book. Napoleon Hill said in the book that I can write my own paycheck. He was going to teach me how to write my own paycheck. It's about transforming my mind. This book transformed my paradigm. And I advise anybody watching this video right now to read this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So I started looking for ways to earn extra money on the internet, and my journey started. In 2010, my journey towards building passive income on the internet started, and I grew over time. Okay, my job is still there, but I needed 2-3 hours of my time every day when I close from my job. For instance, I'm doing this video for you, and it is 5 minutes past midnight, but I'm not disturbed. I just finished some videos discussing with some clients, and here I am doing this video for you, and I hope it brings about the transformation that I desire it to bring in your life. Guys, there's an advantage on the internet. The internet is the new gold, and this is why I am making this advocacy. You shouldn't complain about what you are currently earning. Do not complain about your job. Trust me, there is money to be made on the internet as long as you understand how to deliver your value. First, package your value and then deliver it to the right people. It is not valuable until it is delivered to the right people. And what is your value? Your value is your experience, your skill, your competence, your knowledge, packaged in the form of a product or a service to meet the needs or to solve the problems of many people out there. Zig Ziglar once said that if you help many people get what they want, they will in turn give you what you want. Napoleon Hill said there is no such thing as something for nothing. In other words, if you want to earn money, you must define what you are willing to give in exchange for the equivalent money that you want. Starting a business online has been one of the greatest blessings for me because it affords me, the opportunity to unleash my potential. I do a 9 to 5, but I do not harness all my skills in my 9 to 5. I'm a gifted speaker. I'm a coach, okay, and I'm a transformational person, and I train. I don't do all of this in my job, but I do it in my business. So learning how to build a business around your skill is the most important aspect of diversifying your income. Diversifying your income is a simple principle of still having your job, but having other sources of income, and the internet avails you that opportunity. The other day I was in the bank with my daughter. She is in the university. We had gone to the bank to resolve some issues she has with her account. I was there and I received series of alerts, payment coming in. And I showed it to her. I said, look, this is what the internet can do. Passive income even while you sleep. So my intention is to help you diversify your income such that you will create multiple streams of passive income on the internet. It is possible. It is only on the internet that you can create series of, for instance, I do information marketing where I package my knowledge to solve other people's problems. Information marketing. I do affiliate marketing where I help to sell other people's product and I earn commission for it. I do e-commerce or drop shipping business. Some years back, 2-3 years back, I imported some goods from China and I sold on Konga and Jumia, and I did sold via Facebook ads as well. That is drop shipping e-commerce. I also do freelancing. For instance, I do what I call freelancing arbitrage. I don't necessarily have the skill, but I register with Upwork. I get the gig. I go to Fiverr. I get somebody who knows how to do and I negotiate the price. I deliver, I get my cut. I pay whoever has done the job and I give to the client. The client does not know, but he sees me as the expert. My dear friend, I create multiple streams of income without interfering in my job. This is what I desire for you, and I hope you would embrace it with the whole of your heart, with the whole of your mind. I'm inviting you to a special training that will be holding that will show you how the strategies that I adapted in diversifying my income and building passive income portfolios. The link to joining, it's on YouTube. The link to joining is in the description of this video, somewhere in the description of this video. Please click it, subscribe because it's happening on YouTube, and then click the notify button so that when I start that video, that training, that webinar session, you would be notified. And I want you to keep a date with that webinar. Trust me, that webinar is going to transform your life. Even as I leave, I want to leave you with this. I want you to read this book. I told everyone that is associated with me. I have a community that I call Passive Income Mastery. I think the link to joining that Telegram group is in the description of this video. I told every member of my community to read this book. Every month we read a book centered around transforming our mind. You can't make money, you can't succeed in business until your paradigm is changed. So this is what I aim to do. I review one book every month. We read it for the whole of the month, and then the last Saturday of the month we review. You tell me the insights you've gotten from the book, and we share, and what practical lessons, what practical steps you are taking as a result of the lessons you have learned from the book. Please read this book, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. And don't forget, remember, click the link in my bio to be a part of this webinar that is coming in the next couple of days. I look forward to meeting you. And trust me, this webinar is going to change your perspective. This webinar is going to transform your life. Remember, I did this video for you. Please do yourself a favor to click that link and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there is a lot of value that I will be dishing out. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a pro, but I am taking you to the very basis to the very foundation. And trust me, I'm a trained trainer by John Maxwell. I understand what it means to train. I understand what it takes to train. And that is exactly what I'm dishing out. My training is all about transforming the mind. Once your mind is transformed around money, you would be automatically, you adapt the right habits, the right mindset, the right attitude, the right skill set that will produce the right money results that you desire. Click the link in the description of this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and be on the lookout for that training session that is happening in a few days from now. It will change your life. Thank you immensely for your time, and I hope these lessons that I shared with you today has added value to your life. See you on the day of my webinar, but make sure you register for it. The link is in the description. Cheers. I love you. Cheers.